All right, so here's the key for this assignment that you guys did on doing on Monday. There's not a lot of work to actually do here, but you have to type in your equations and just answer the questions here. So you don't need much space. You'll need a calculator for all the evaluate parts. Number one says, given the equation y equals 35 times 0.57 raised to the x, which is 700 raised to the x, okay? Is this growth or decay? Well, since the growth factor, that's what's in parentheses, is less than 1, it's decay. Question 1b is actually the most missed question here. It says, what is the rate of, in this case, decay? And so the correct answer is 43%, even though a lot of people want to put 57%. The rate, okay, it's 1 minus r in this case. And so 1 minus r equals 0.57. So the rate is 43%. The 0.57 is the decay factor. And this question is asking for the rate. Okay. What's the initial value? Is 35. Evaluate for 5. So now this is where you just plug this into your calculator. I like to use Desmos because you can just type it in right as it looks and get your answer. So 2.105. Okay, question 2, growth or decay. This is growth because the growth factor is bigger than 1. The rate, okay, it's not 123%. The rate is 23%. All right, what's the initial value? 225. Again, type it right into a calculator to get 340.4. All right, question 3, growth or decay. Okay, so again, the growth factor is 1.06. So that is growth. It's larger than 1. What is the rate of growth? And that's 6%. What is the initial value? That's 154. And then you plug everything into the calculator and you get 231.559. All right, so now questions 4 through 7 here, they're having you set it up. So 1 through 3, they gave it to you. Here you're setting it up. It says Ryan's saving for college. He has $2,550 in a savings account that pays 6.25% annual interest. Write the exponential equation describing the situation. So the initial amount times 1 plus r. In this case, that'll be 1.0625. Again, make sure you have that 0 there. All right, if it's 1.6, I mean 62%. So it's 1.0625 raised to the t. Plug in 6 into your calculator, and you get $3,668.71. All right, used car was purchased for $12,329 this year, so 2021. Each year, the car's value decreases by 8.5%, right? An exponential equation. So you got your initial price, and then the 0.915 that's coming from 1 minus r, 1 minus 0.0885. So hold on here. There's a typo on that. Let me fix that. Just kidding. There was no typo on that. That is correct. 1 minus 0.0. That's 1 minus 0.085 is 0.915. All right, and then you plug in 4 because it's 4 years later, right? 225 minus 221, or 2025 minus 2021 is 4 years later. So after 4 years, the car's depreciated to that value. Number 6, it's increasing at 12%. So you do your 11,212 times 1.12 raised to the t, plug in 20. So this is going to be a lot, right? 20 years at 12%. Okay, for 20 years, it's going to grow a lot. So that 11,000 turns into 108,000. All right, that's the power of compounding interest there. All right, Diana just bought a home. She paid 240,000. Okay, if she's able to pay 20% off the loan each year of the remaining balance. Okay, so the first year she pays 20%, and then it goes down, and then she pays 20% of that remaining balance. Set up like this. Again, that's not how loans are structured, but for this sake, all right, that's what we're doing here. So 0.8, again, 1 minus 0.2, 1 minus 20% is 0.8, right, for 10 years. Okay, she would have $25,769 left on her $240,000 loan.